Hi, really great to see you this week. Welcome to today's video. It is something completely different. I am sort of doing a deep dive into what I would really say is the evolutionary and the revolutionary nature of at-home skincare that's backed by science. We're talking about collagen stimulation and production today. So we're all aware of things like lasers, right? Many of you have possibly had laser treatments. They are very, very effective at dermatologist's office or even med spas. They are a very quick and powerful way to reduce wrinkles, sunspots, signs of aging, acne scars, melasma, hyperpigmentation, all of that. But as you know, they do come with a hefty price. I mean, there is certainly pain and there's downtime associated with them. And oftentimes they can cost upward of $1,000, if not more, dollars. So they might be priced out of a lot of people's budget. And then of course, as you've shared with me in the past, not everybody is into injectables and Botox and fillers and all of that. So what's so great is that these new at-home devices, like I said, are science-based, and it's all about producing collagen. Collagen has just gotten such a buzz lately because people are realizing that the production and stimulation thereof is what restores and regenerates that firmness and plumpness, that youthful look to our skin. Collagen is just this incredible, magical web, and it's the primary building block of our body's skin, muscles, bones, tendons, and ligaments, and other connective tissues. So really, being able to stimulate and produce collagen is where it's at. And as we know, creams and topicals can only take us so far. There's only so much penetration that they will do. So in comes now these new at-home lasers and treatments to be able to stimulate collagen production. So the first one that I want to share with you, and by the way, these two devices are completely different in terms of delivery systems and what they do. The first one is the Nera Precision Laser. It is the first and only FDA cleared laser for at-home treatment of wrinkles. Nera guarantees results in 90 days. It works by heating up the dermis, which is right below the pain threshold, and that's what makes this at-home laser so different from what you would get in a dermatologist's office. There is no pain, but it takes 90 days to see the result. It's also far less in price. Instead of thousands, it's a couple of hundred. So you're amortizing the cost over time. So as I was learning about Nera, I went to their website, and of course Nera got a ton of buzz about its ability to reduce wrinkles around the eye area. And if you check them out, you'll see a lot of before and after pictures, and it's really impressive. So I thought, all right, this is interesting. My area of concern and issue wasn't necessarily around the eye area, but more around the mouth. I was starting to get those vertical lines coming in around my mouth area. They were frustrating me, and it's kind of odd. I'm not a smoker, but I am a talker, so maybe that's why they're coming in here. I don't know. But at any rate, I decided to give Nera a try, and I have been using Nera for 4 months now. And before I show you a before and after, let me just show you how Nera works. So first of all, you plug it in and you charge it here on the side, and a charge will actually last a long time. As you push the power button, you can then dial up. There are 5 levels, and I am now up to the level 5, the warmest setting. Nera is activated by pushing this button. So you're essentially making contact with the skin where you want to treat. You push the button, you will hear 2 clicks. It's like a beep, beep, you'll hear it. And that means the Nera laser has fired and that area has been treated. So you simply go through one by one, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to do my mouth area, and the 2 clicks, beep beep, means that that area has been treated. If you hear one kind of long beep, it means that contact with the skin wasn't made. Nera usually hits 40 pulses. So let's say you're treating an eye, it would be 40 pulses on one side and then 40 pulses on the other. My whole mouth area is more. So here we go. Let me just demonstrate how Nera works. So I make contact, and I'll come in a little bit closer so you can see. I'm going to start on my right, probably your left. See, click, click. Move it over. I feel heat. I don't feel pain. Let me go this way. So I'm essentially making rows, bottom row done, moving up. Literally takes about 2 minutes to treat an entire area. And you may start to notice on me a little bit of redness, and that is normal. The good thing is that it subsides within a matter of minutes. You should never feel any, see, that means that contact with the skin wasn't made. Nera says you should never feel any pain, and you just adjust accordingly. Okay, so those 3 beeps meant that those 40 little pulses were complete. I keep going. So I've essentially treated now this whole area. I could go on, by the way, Nera, you can treat all around the mouth area, the marionette lines, all around the eyes, the 11s here on the forehead. You can even go above on the orbital bone for a lifting effect of the eye. The only thing you can't do is anywhere on the eye or up too close underneath the eye. But you can start right here. I feel more warmth under the eye because the skin is thinner. So anyway, that's how the Nera Precision Laser works. They say results in 90 days. And I have to tell you, like I said, I've been using Nera now for 4 months. And I figure the best way to show you a before and after would not be with a still shot, because for me, you see the lines come in as my mouth is moving. So let me continue to talk, and I'm going to play a clip of a video that I recorded about 4 to 5 months ago, probably even a little bit longer. And it shows, you can see side by side, you can see the lessening of the lines and the wrinkles, not only here, but I even see it down in here. I was even starting to kind of get these little like divots and all of that. It's made a big difference around my mouth area. You can treat once or twice a day, but it's best to spread it out. So morning and night, it's only a 2-minute routine for me. And then you carry on with other treatments, which I will show you as we move on to the next product. But again, Nera can handle and take care of wrinkles. It's also good for hyperpigmentation and dark spots, even acne scars. So there are a lot of different things that this laser can treat. And the beauty is that you have the power of science at home. You get to decide the pacing and you don't have the downtime from it. So I have been really happy with my Nera, so much so that the company is reaching out to you to offer you a great discount, which I think is wonderful. They are offering a 30% off. Nera is $399, but with 30%, quick math, it comes out to $279.30. That to me is much more palatable. And like I said, you're using Nera over a prolonged period of time. So it really helps to amortize the cost. I will continue to use this as a part of my treatment regimen for my skin every single day to help stimulate and build collagen. If you are interested in Nera, I promise to have a link for you so you can click it, go right to, and you can also learn more and read about the product online. I believe in doing research and learning before you buying. So I just want to reach out and say thank you, Nera, for offering that 30% off to my audience. I think that's really, really special. So moving on now is the next product that I want to talk to you about, and it's called Droplet. This is really fascinating for a number of reasons. First of all, backed by NASA right here in my own backyard in Clear Lake, as well as the NIH, National Institutes of Health, Walter Reed Medical School, and Harvard Medical School. This was invented by 2 MIT-trained PhDs to initially treat a rare genetic disorder, but it was found to be an amazing delivery system of all kinds of serums. The droplets that are created by Droplet are up to 1,000 times smaller than those created by other misters. Droplet gets those active ingredients past the skin barrier, and the company claims deep into the epidermis. We're talking 20 times deeper than traditional skincare. So Droplet comes with dermatologist-created capsules depending on your skin's needs. I'm using the collagen capsules. It's a mix of 10% collagen, peptides, and vitamin C, so it has a hydrating plumping and lifting effect to the skin. But there are also retinol, glycolic, tranexamic for skin evening, and there are new growth factor ones. This treatment is a quickie. It only takes 45 seconds a day. It penetrates the skin without needles and without pain. My Droplet is in cobalt blue. That comes in 4 other colors. Here's what I do. After I do my Nera treatment, I then move on to Droplet. You take it and you hold it white side down. You pop open the chamber. There's kind of a groove where it fits in. You push it in and then click, you seal it. And that releases the liquid into the chamber. Really, really important not to tip it upside down or else the contents and the fluid will spill out. So just be mindful of that. And I'm going to hold it now this way because you treat by misting your face. On the right-hand side, so my thumb side, there's this little bar that protrudes. That activates it and turns it on. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to do a treatment. You hold Droplet about 1/2 inch away from the skin. You can do the whole face, eyes, jawline, neck, everything. So here we go. Just go in circular motions. And you can tell when it's starting to run out because the mist gets lighter and lighter. It's really important to keep your head tipped back so you can have the white part tipping forward. And that's it. And that's your Droplet treatment. So in the morning then when you finished your treatment, just to let you know, and I'm going to come in close, it makes my skin feel plump and firm and smooth, but it does not feel tacky. It doesn't feel moisturized. So you would continue on with your moisturizer and your SPF as you then got ready for your day and put on your makeup. To let you know, these capsules are a subscription-based program. So they are essentially 12 or 30 recyclable capsules. And let me show you this, because when you finish, you open up the chamber, you pull out your capsule that's been used, and then Droplet provides a bag that you then place it in. And once it's full, it has a return address and you just send it off. But the capsules again come in 12 or 30 recyclable capsules a month for either $39 or $79 respectively. Droplet does have a 2-year warranty and you do not have to have an active subscription to swap out your device for the latest version. Now, Droplet retails for $299, but again, the company wants to offer you $100 off, bringing it down to $199, and you just use the promo code Dominique 100. I'll provide a link if Droplet is something that interests you to be able to research, check it out, and then take advantage of the $100 off. So a big thank you to Droplet as well for offering this to you. I think it's awesome. And I'm really just so excited about this new arena. I have a feeling that this is going to be an exciting area of development and of content, just to be able to show you all the options and possibilities of what can be done at home as we mature and age and we look for ways to take care of our skin and to increase and build collagen. Thanks for being with me. Take care of your skin. Be bold and be blessed. Bye.